struggling with bad credit? Fix it today. Your credit score can shape your financial future. But what if your credit is holding you back? Credit repair might be the solution. This process involves addressing inaccuracies in your credit report, negotiating with creditors, and creating a strategy to boost your score. Professional credit repair services claim to handle this for you, but is it worth the cost? These companies analyze your credit report, dispute errors, and communicate with credit bureaus on your behalf. While they can save time, remember, everything they do, you can do yourself for free. DIY credit repair involves pulling your credit report, identifying errors, and disputing them directly with credit bureaus. It's more affordable, but requires effort and patience. So, is credit repair worth it? It depends. If you're overwhelmed or lack time, a reputable service may be helpful. But if you're budget conscious, a DIY approach can be just as effective. Credit repair isn't a magic fix, but it's a step toward financial health. Evaluate your needs, stay informed, and make the choice that works best for you. A better credit score is within reach.